You've seen government doing a lot of initiatives in terms of connectivity and last mile connectivity. We want to reach Wanjiko at her doorstep, and you will see that we are laying a lot of fiber, we are doing Wi-Fi's, we are doing last mile connectivity unto homes and to schools where services are found. We might not have reached there, but plans are underway. And by the end of the year and beginning of next year, you'll see a great change, because it's all about availing services to our citizens. It's about creating value. It's not only about connecting, it's about connecting innovators, connecting entrepreneurs, small enterprises to grow their product and be able to market their products not only in Kenya but across the border.
We still have some countries that don't have the exchange points. We have countries that are having challenges with connectivity. So this was really an opportunity for us to come together and to discuss and find ways of improving internet connectivity for the continent.
Basically, what we try to do here is bring everybody on the table. We discuss all issues that concerns internet availability, penetration into our local communities.